So hello, today we're going to measure some resistors with a multimeter. These three resistors we do not know the value of, and so we're going through it step by step. So first of all, your multimeter has to have a selection for measuring resistance, which is this one here. It says ohm on it. And then before you set the multimeter to this setting, you have to connect the probes, and as always the black probe connector, it goes into the common plug, so we're in here. And then the red one, it's always neatly done on these multimeters, because here you can read his hertz, volt, ohms, and then you know, okay, I have to plug the red one in here, because if you look at the other side, there is milliampere, microampere, or ampere, and that is not correct, so you need ohms. But please read the instructions of your multimeter, but it's very often very similar, like here. So we turn the multimeter to measure ohms. So we're in the ohm setting. So it says something above here in the mega ohms area, since you have very big resistance between the two probes. But now we measure this first resistor, and we connect this black probe to one end of the resistor, doesn't matter which one, and we connect the red probe to the other end of the resistor, and it tells us this might be a 100 ohm resistor. And let's verify that looking at the color code. Yes, it's true. This is brown for one, then black, black, black. So this is 100. Correct. So you pick up the other resistor, measure that. It says 4.6 kilo ohm, and if we look at the color code, it is also correct. And the last resistor, it says this is a 1 mega ohm resistor. If I look at the color code, it is brown, black, black, yellow, which means brown 1, black 0, another black 0, so we have 100 as a number in front, and then the yellow means 4, 10 to the times of 4, because yellow is 4, and then we have 100 times, and 10 to the 4th is 10,000, so 100 times 10,000, and that's a million, and this is also correct, what my multimeter says here. So that's it for measuring resistances, and you always have to double check if the color code is reasonable for what your multimeter says. But once you've done the two things, you've looked at the two things, and you can be very sure, and you can build these resistors into your printed circuit board, PCB, and have fun. So I turn this multimeter off to power save, and thank you, and we'll see you the next time, hopefully. Bye.